I'm back with another video on HAIM's Women Music Part 3. I absolutely love it. I can't stop listening to it. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Leaning on You. If this video helps you, please hit the like button. It really helps my channel. Subscribe because I'm going to be doing more lessons from this album. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Enjoy. This entire song is made up of 5 chords. The first is a G major chord. So you're going to bar the 3rd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Next is a C major chord. So you're going to bar the 3rd fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B string on the 5th fret with your ring finger. Next is a D major chord. So you're going to take the C major chord and just slide it up 2 frets. Next is a E minor bar chord. So you're going to slide up another 2 frets and keep your bar in place. Then you're going to put your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the B string. And then last is an open A minor chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string. So the first part of this song uses 3 of these chords. It uses the G major chord, the C major chord, and the A minor chord, and it sounds like this. So you notice that I'm doing a lick there. What I'm doing is sliding up on the 5th fret into our C major chord, like this. So I'm sliding up from the 5th to the 7th fret on the A string, and then I'm barring the bottom 3 notes of our C major chord. Now for the next part, we're going to drop the G major chord, we're going to keep the A minor and C major, and we're going to add the D major and the E minor chord. It sounds like this. So really quick, what I'm doing on that D major chord is I'm walking up on the A string from the 5th to the 6th fret before I go to the E minor chord, like this. And then the rest of the part. And then back to the original part we learned. And that's it for Leaning on You. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I'm going to have more HAIM songs coming your way and you're not going to want to miss them. Thanks.